Hey everybody, Jackie Hu here, your local and international real estate expert. Today I'm coming to you from Vienna, Austria. I make videos for buyers and sellers, giving them the tips and tricks to the real estate game. So tune in every Tuesday and Friday for more videos. Today's video is going to be directed towards those potential home buyers who would like to purchase a home in Los Angeles County or Orange County for $900,000 or more, who qualify for a home or who can afford a mortgage payment for that home at that amount, but don't have enough saved up for 20% down. So this loan program allows for a home buyer to put down only 10% on a jumbo loan. Jumbo loan in Orange County and LA means that the loan amount is $822,000 or more. This loan program allows for you to put 10% down and not pay any private mortgage insurance, and the interest rates are very competitive. If you are thinking about buying and realize, I don't have enough saved up, and if I try to save up, the market's gonna appreciate faster than I can save up, I'd love to introduce you to a couple of my preferred lenders who are offering this loan program, who are great and awesome lenders. If you have any other questions about home buying or loans, please don't hesitate to reach out to #Who'sYourRealtor.